Hi guys, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a screw pop in plaster. This method will also work on drywall as well. Let's do this. To repair this plaster pop, what we need to do is scrape the loose away and then just check that the screws nipped up tight, and then we're ready for filling. What I'm using to fill these plaster pops with is this Gyprock Easy Fill 60. Because I'm only going to mix a little bit, I'm doing it quite controlled. So I've got this glass with about ½ inch worth of water in it. I've got this other container with the powder, and I've got another container to mix it in. What I do is pour the water into the container that I'm mixing it in. I then get the powder that's in the other container and I start adding it slowly, just like you're mixing Bisto. And then I add it a bit at a time until I get it to the consistency that I want it to. I like to get it nice and thick. There's nothing worse when you're trying to mix some filler and you're trying to pour it out of a big bag into a little pot, and then you end up pouring too much powder in, then you have to go back and get more water. So this is why I'm doing it like this, because I'm only mixing a little bit for a few plaster pops, and this way it's nice and controlled. Now the filler's mixed, we're ready to fill the plaster pop. What I do is fill it once, leave it a couple of hours, fill it again because it always takes 2 fills, and then after 8 hours give it a light sand down, and then it's ready for painting. And that, guys, is how you repair a screw pop in either plaster or drywall. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching and for your support.